In the face of a disaster, every second counts. A building after a fire accident. Should they contact the fire agency or the hospital or the police? Emergencies aren't limited to buildings, they can occur anywhere. A car accident and bystanders in a dilemma. Someone is calling an ambulance, but it's stuck in traffic, and the exact location is unknown. The user captures a photo of the incident and uploads it through the app. Here we take you through the Rescuter. In your moment of need, it seamlessly directs you to the nearest agency capable of providing the help you require. Your dependable companion during times of emergency. Rescuter, help is just a tap away.
Hello everyone, this is Team Rashar. Now, we will take you through our proposed solution model for the problem statement 1440 from the Ministry of Home Affairs under the theme Disaster Management. Our problem statement is an application under which all rescue agencies are registered and which can display the location of other rescue relief agencies during a natural or a man-made calamity.
The primary focus of the app is the development of a user-centric disaster response platform that through streamlined agency coordination aims to save lives by enabling quick and efficient responses to emergency situations.
This diagram illustrates our app's workflow model. This app has been designed with two main components, the user and the agency interfaces, and one intermediary component, which is the platform backend. Let's now take a look onto the user workflow model. Basically, we have two modes, and they are emergency and the standard modes. In emergency mode, you simply share your location and choose a disaster from the given options, or provide a voice note or capture an image or a video, then submit an alert request to the nearest agency. Our backend processes it, identifies the nearest agency and sends the notification to it. You can also track the alert status in real time. In standard mode, you have a filter option and a search option to filter agencies based on its resources, disasters, and the last reported activity, and then submit a request and also receive notifications. Our backend tracks the request, keeps you updated.
Key features for the users are one-tap emergency alerts for immediate help, efficient filters to find the right agency quickly. In case of a disaster, the user can alert nearby users. Key features for the agencies are real-time location tracking, a color-coded status system for agency coordination, a dynamic map display to visualize emergencies and agency resources, statistical analysis to optimize resource allocation based on data.
The system's front-end is built using Flutter to make a user-friendly and an intuitive mobile interface for the users, and a smooth desktop interface for the agencies to interact and communicate efficiently. The backend platform is built using the real-time database, functions, and other microservices of Firebase, which in turn helps to store and access data quickly from the cloud, making the platform fast, responsive, and more efficient by balancing the load and traffic in the application.
Now we look into the business model Canva. In India, there are 100 to 200 private limited companies like Tata Group, Reliance Industries, ITC Limited, which provides food, water, medical care, and shelter. If we take the 50% of the market and provide an annual subscription charge of $144, the revenue till 2025 will be around $58,000. If we take the global market, there are 19,000 companies and the revenue till 2025 can be approximately $27 lakh. Now you might be wondering why the companies will use our application. By using our application, the companies can increase their sales, improve the brand awareness. It will increase the customer loyalty in long term.
Thereby, together, we are committed to improving government disaster management through our application, ensuring a safe and more prepared future. Thank you. Now, we move on to the working prototype of our application. The user generally registers and signs in to the application using the credentials. We have two modes. One is the emergency mode and the other one is continue in standard mode. So, we click the emergency mode first. So, I'm selecting the type of the disaster. Let's say it's a fire accident and I'm trying to record my voice. So I'm sending it. It gets notified to the nearest agency. Then we come back and continue in the standard mode. We have the maps and filters and search options for the agencies. And we also have a camera where we can click pictures of any calamities and we can send it directly to the agency.
Our desktop UI contains two segments, that is company segment and the agency segments. Now we look into the agency segment. This is the sign up page. This is the home page where agencies can see users in danger and which agencies are allocated to them. Agencies can help other agencies in resource sharing and manpower. Agencies can also take resources from companies, can filter based on areas, quantity, and number of customers. Agencies can also communicate with companies using chatting, call, etc. Agencies can also communicate between the agencies. We also have statistical page where they can keep track of all the resources. Our aim is to convert the manual calculation to automated calculation. Now we look into the company side UI. If the company is new, they will create an account with the GST number. This is the home page where the company employees can see the agencies who needs help. The agencies can communicate with each other too.